So what is the anagram? The problem is that we have to solve the anagram. So anagram means we are having the two string. Both strings should be the same set of character. It can be there in the different order. Means two words are there. That word should have the same set of character, but can be in the different order. Like listen and silent. Both are having the same set of character, but that are there in the different order. So first we have to check both string is having the same length. If the length is the different, means both are not anagram. And the second thing is that we have to check both string is having the same set of character. So two things we have to check. So what we will do, first we will check if s1 dot length not equal to s2 dot length, right? Both string length is different, then return false, means both are not anagram. First root, we can say the root root is this, right? Now what we will do, we will take one int array, that will the count type equal to new int of size is 26. Now we will take one for loop, int I equal to 0, I is less than s dot length I plus plus. Now we are having the count array. In the count array we will s1 dot char of I, right, minus a, correct. Now we will increment it. So what we are doing here is we are just finding the index and we are incrementing its value, right? So if it is the same character in the same index, so it will increment its value. Now for the second, what we will do, second string, we will just decrement it. So if it is the same string on the same index, so it will decrement it. So at the last all value will be the 0, right? So s2 dot char of I minus b, okay. Now minus minus. Now we will check here is at the last everything will be the 0, right? Means all the index position value will be the 0, because from the first string, for the first string we are storing its value and incrementing its count, and for the from the second string we are decrementing its count. So if it is the same set of character for the same index, so it will decrement it and it will give the value as a 0. Now we will take one just for loop, okay, and we will take the int c colon count. For the each character it will check if it is the value is 0 or not. If c not equal to 0, return false, means if it is not same set of character, then return false, otherwise at the last return true. So if s1 dot, okay, that is the spell mistake. s1 dot length, because we are string name is s1. So listen and silent, right? Both is having the same set of s dot length and I plus plus s1 dot carried of in. Oh, sorry, that should be the same. Sorry, yeah. So this is the solution. optimal solution. So this will take the big O of n. Time complexity is big O of n because we are using the for loop, and the space complexity is big O of 1 because it is the constant value 26. So this is the optimal solution for the anagram.